If you want to get rich, there are three things what we always have to understand about money. First, earning money. Second, managing it. And third, investing. As the people say, अगर आप अच्छा investment करना नहीं जानते हैं, it's going to be difficult to get rich in the life. और ये बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है लोगों के साथ. They do not know how to invest money well. और इसी एक प्रॉब्लम को एक सॉल्यूशन के तौर पर अपनी एंटरप्रेन्योरियल जर्नी में लेकर आए मिस्टर विजय कुमार. He is personal finance coach and he goes for teaching people how they can go for investing money well and how can grow their money, they can get rich. So let's welcome here in Rising Entrepreneurs, Mr. Vijay Kumar from Bangalore. Hello Vijay, how are you?
Hey, hi Raju sir, I'm fine. How about you?
I'm just doing very good. Thank you so much. आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है एग्जैक्टली दैट्स वेरी मच इंटरेस्टिंग और लोगों को बड़ा ही इंटरेस्ट आता है इसमें कि कैसे करके वो अमीर बन सकते हैं. एंड वी डू अंडरस्टैंड दिस कि पैसे को इन्वेस्ट करना आना एक बहुत ज़रूरी स्टेप है उसमें. एंड यू आर अ पर्सनल फाइनेंस कोच. आप इसी के बारे में लोगों को सिखाते हैं, बताते हैं. सो दैट्स रियली अ लिटिल डिफिकल्ट टॉपिक फॉर द पीपल. तो थोड़ा सा आई वुड लाइक टू नो अबाउट योर अर्ली चाइल्डहुड. अपनी फैमिली के बारे में थोड़ा बताइए, अपनी अर्ली चाइल्डहुड के बारे में थोड़ा सा बताइए. How was the background?
Yeah, sure. I'm from Karnataka. So in Karnataka, there is a North Karnataka. So I born in one rural part. So a district called Dharwad. So my village is Bebur. So I've done my primary and high school education in there only. So later I have completed my graduation, BA graduation. So after that, around 5 years, I worked in a BPO industry. So later, I was very much interested in personal finance and investment. And so I quit that job. Later, I completely started into the personal finance and investment journey.
Mm-hmm.
So in my family, so there are 5 members. My father works as a carpenter. We are basically carpenter.
Mm-hmm.
So my mom is a homemaker. So I have 2 brothers. So one is he does carpenter work, and second brother he works in Indian Railway. I'm the last one. I'm working this one.
So I must consider कि एक बहुत ही हम्बल बैकग्राउंड को टच करते हुए, एक रूरल एरिया से निकलते हुए आपने अपनी जर्नी को स्टार्ट किया. एंड टुडे यू जस्ट हैव बीन टीचिंग पीपल कि कैसे करके वो अमीरी हासिल कर सकते हैं या ग्रो कर सकते हैं अपने पैसे को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. दैट्स रियली ग्रेट. और आप एक इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी हो सकते हैं बहुत सारे लोगों के लिए जिनको लगता है कि हमारे पास अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मौजूद नहीं है, हमारे पास ऑप्शंस मौजूद नहीं है. एज मैनी पीपल आर वॉचिंग, आई वुड से यू मस्ट गो फॉर लर्निंग फ्रॉम मिस्टर विजय, बिकॉज आप समझ सकते हैं कि व्हाट वाज द हम्बल बैकग्राउंड ही केम फ्रॉम और वहाँ से उन्होंने क्या जर्नी तय की है. That we're going to listen, and I hope that you're gonna learn so many things. So Vijay, just let me know this कि किस तरह से you got into this field, ये पर्सनल फाइनेंस की फील्ड में आप किस तरह से एंटर किए?
Because so after completing my degree, so later I started to work in a BPO industry. In that time, I was earning good amount of money. So I was able to save good amount of money. So but I didn't know where to invest that money. But if you don't invest your money, it will shrink. Every year, the inflation will increase. Inflation means, so every year, mengai. So in just 10 years back, we had a 1 kg rice at 30 rupees.
Mm-hmm.
So now which is costing around 50 to 60 rupees.
Right.
So in last month, we all know in India, the tomato itself, which cost per kg, it cost 200 rupees.
Right. Right.
So currently onion, which touched the highs of 100 rupees.
Mm-hmm.
So that is the reason we must invest our money.
Mm-hmm.
If you don't invest your money, it will shrink.
तो अगर आपके पास पैसा है भी या आपने अर्न कर भी लिया, लेकिन अगर आप उसको बचा के रखे हुए हैं तो वो भी कहीं ना कहीं श्रिंक होने लग जाएगा. एंड बाय द टाइम आपको मालूम पड़ेगा कि जितना आपके पास था, जैसे ही आप ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं आपको मालूम पड़ेगा कि उसकी वैल्यू बहुत कम हो चुकी है. सो दैट बिकम्स वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप इन्वेस्ट करना स्टार्ट करें. दैट इज़ ओनली द वे जिससे आप अपने पैसे को एक तो एक्चुअल वैल्यू दे के रख सकते हैं और उसको ग्रो कर सकते हैं।
Yes, yes. So when it comes to the world of investment, we have various investment options. So in India, so most of the people, they will go for a traditional investment. They will invest into FD, insurance, so most and real estate. Most of the people invest into the FD, so fixed deposit. So in just some 15 years back, fixed deposit, they used to get annual return at 12%, 13%. But now FD returns has been reduced. Now you are getting around 4 to 5, 6%, which is very less. So
5-6% ही नॉर्मली आता है आजकल। तो पहले कभी हुआ होगा 12-13, आई नेवर नो। बट आजकल तो हम जितने भी एफडी के रिटर्न्स देखते हैं 5%, 6% हाईएस्ट।
yeah, so that's the reason 5, 6% every year across the globe. Inflation itself, महंगाई itself, it will grow 5 to 6%.
यस।
So that's the reason we should invest in an asset class. It has to beat the inflation. So inflation, let's say inflation is 5%. Your investment has to generate a return of above the inflation.
कम से कम 5% इन्फ्लेशन जा रहा है तो 7-8-10% तो हमारा ग्रो करना ही चाहिए वैल्यू, है ना?
You said around 7 to 8%. If you go for a 7 to 8%, again you have to pay the tax. So first inflation has to cross, then taxation has to cross. After that, whatever you are getting, that is going to be your profit.
So that has become very much difficult कि किस तरह से ग्रो कराए। Exactly why people go, अगर मेरी भी बात करें, I just go for investing, लेकिन हमारा वही ट्रेडिशनल तरीका चला आ रहा है। We go for investing in the real estate, we go for investing in FDs, and sometimes with the mutual fund, SIPs and all, and sometimes in the gold and all, we just go for investing. Because we find ये जो तरीके हैं, ये सिक्योर है और इसमें हमें ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ती है और एक फिक्स अमाउंट हमारे पास अर्निंग के तौर पे आता जाता है। इनके अलावा और कौन से वो तरीके हो सकते हैं जिनसे हम ज़्यादा अच्छा और सिक्योर पैसा ग्रो कर सकते हैं आपके हिसाब से?
Okay, so a traditional investment is FD and insurance. They are the traditional, but returns are very less. But in modern, now people are shifting from traditional investment to modern investment. The modern investment is equity investment. So equity and mutual fund. First, I will explain what is equity. Equity is nothing but we all in our day-to-day lives, we use internet. We go for a shopping. So we go to Big Bazaar, Reliance Bazaar. So there is a company called Reliance. Reliance is one of the largest company in India. So if you invest in that company, so when company grows, automatically our wealth will grow, our money will grow. So I and you together, we cannot create a company called Reliance. Reliance के तरफ एक बड़ा company हम नहीं बना सकते हैं। ये ऐसा channel
Become part of that. हम उसमें part कर सकते हैं by investing.
Via investment, you can become a part in that beautiful business. हम दोनों मिला के एक Infosys नहीं बना सकते हैं, TCS नहीं बना सकते हैं. But we are very lucky, but we can become a part of that company by investing into that share.
हमारे पास ये सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज मौजूद है, लेकिन प्रॉब्लम एक ये आती है विजय जी की बहुत सारे लोगों को पता ही नहीं है कि हम कैसे इसको कर सकते हैं। एंड सेकंड जो प्रॉब्लम निकल के आता है वो ये कि समटाइम्स पीपल गो फॉर ट्राइंग बट दे डू नॉट हैव द प्रॉपर नॉलेज और दे डू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड इट वेल, जिसकी वजह से वो कई बार जो इन्वेस्ट भी कर रहे होते हैं उसको रिस्क कर देते हैं, उसको गंवा देते हैं। तो ये तो कुछ चीज़ें हैं, एक तो लोगों को पता नहीं है ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मौजूद भी है, और दूसरा जिनको जो करते भी है कोशिश, कई बार वो अपना पैसा गंवा देते हैं। तो इनको कैसे करके सॉल्व किया जा सकता है इन प्रॉब्लम्स को?
Okay, so first you have to take the help of some experts, some financial advisor. So you must take the help of some experts. So along with that, investment, it is more about common sense, basics knowledge. When we want to start our investment journey, so one best advice I would like to give is, so we have to connect with our life. In our day-to-day life, we use internet. In internet, with regards to internet in India, Reliance is the one of the largest internet provider in India. You can invest into Reliance share. So
हम इंटरनेट यूज कर ही रहे हैं और एक कंपनी जो उसको दे रही है वो कहीं ना कहीं ग्रो करेगी, उसका बिजनेस फायदे में जाएगा.
yes. Now Reliance is like as important as our food and water now. It is part of our life. Without internet we cannot do anything now.
तो मीन टू सी मीन्स हम अपनी रेगुलर लाइफ से चीज़ों को कनेक्ट करके देख सकते हैं. वी कैन सी कि जो चीज़ें हमारी रेगुलर लाइफ में लगातार यूज में आ रही है एंड द कंपनी जो इनको प्रोवाइड कर रही है वो डेफिनेटली ग्रो करेंगी, उनके साथ हम इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं.
Yes, I would like to give some more example.
Yeah.
In our day-to-day life, we use FMCG product. FMCG products are nothing but a toothpaste, detergent, soap, washing machine. Lot of things are in FMCG segment. There is a Hindustan Unilever is there, one of the largest FMCG company in India. So ITC is there, Nestle is there. So you can start investing into that companies. In our day-to-day life, we use banking. So without banks, we cannot do any transaction. We cannot do any action. We cannot take any action. So there is the ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, so Kotak Bank. So you can start investing into which bank you are having bank account. You can start investing into that.
बट दैट ऑल्सो कम्स सो अपन ऐसा देखा गया है कि हम इन सारी चीज़ों के साथ ब्रांड के साथ इन्वेस्ट तो करते हैं पर फिर भी कई बार रिस्क फैक्टर में देखने को मिल जाता है, पीपल गो फॉर लूजिंग देयर मनी. तो ये कब होता है जबकि ये ब्रांड तो बड़े अच्छे हैं और नॉर्मली बैंकिंग सेक्टर ग्रो कर रहा है, एफएमसीजी ग्रो कर रहा है, इन सारी चीज़ों की लगातार जरूरत भी पड़ेगी, फिर भी लोग अपना पैसा किस तरह से लूज कर देते हैं इन इन्वेस्टमेंट के साथ.
Okay, so in that what I understood, what I came to know that is most of the people, they will not invest for a long time.
ओके.
So one biggest problem is everybody wants to make money in short time. So in stock market, there are two options. One, you can become a trader, and another one is investor. Trader is nothing but those who want to make money in short time. For them, we call it as a trader.
राइट.
But it is a high risk, high return game. So most of almost all everybody wants to become rich in short time, but it is not easy as we think.
राइट.
So always we have to think for the long term. If you think for a long term, you will see the bigger picture. So most of the retail investors, they will think too much about the short term. So abhi paisa मैं डालूंगा, कल में tomorrow itself I have to become rich. That is the one biggest problem every retail investors fail in the world of stock market.
शॉर्ट टर्म रिचेस ऑलवेज लीड टू द फेलियर्स, ऐसा कुछ देखा क्या है. अगर आपको दुनिया में ऐसा चीजें देखने को मिल रही है तो सब बड़ी स्टाइलिंग के बहुत जल्दी आपको इतना पैसा मिल जाएगा, उतना समझ लीजिए कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ होने वाला है. सो दैट व्हाट कम्स इन द इन्वेस्टमेंट पार्ट एज वेल. लॉन्ग टर्म में जनरली ऐसा नहीं होता है ना, पीपल गो फॉर सर्वाइविंग, पीपल गो फॉर अर्निंग गुड मनी अकॉर्डिंग टू यू.
Yes. So हिंदी में आई थिंक इन वन मूवी 25 दिन में पैसा डबल होना चाहिए, ये कहानी वो कभी नहीं हो जाएगा.
वो नहीं होता. ओके.
एक मूवी ऐसा है.
यू वेंट फॉर टेलिंग. अभी चलिए, हमें बहुत ज़्यादा जानकारी नहीं है इन टर्म्स के बारे में. यू वेंट फॉर टेलिंग कि यहाँ पे दो तरह के लोग होते हैं, एक ट्रेडर होते हैं, इन्वेस्टर होते हैं. तो ट्रेडर मीन्स वो ट्रेड करते हैं डेली बेसिस पे इक्विटी को, शेयर को, ऐसा कुछ, इसलिए उनको ट्रेडर बोला जाता है.
Yes. So when it comes to the world of stock market, you have two options. So one, you can become a trader, or else you can become an investor. So trader is nothing but so they will predict the price of so just say that Reliance share आज so it will go up, it will go down. So based on the prediction, they will buy in the early morning and they will sell at evening.
अच्छा, मीन्स ए सिंगल डे दे आर जस्ट डूइंग.
Yeah.
एक दिन के अंदर वो अपने सारा खरीदना और सेल करना, वो सारा सब कुछ एक ही दिन के अंदर कर रहा है. और
Yeah.
इस तरह की इन्वेस्टमेंट को हम क्या कहते हैं?
ट्रेडिंग कहते हैं उसको.
ट्रेडिंग. राइट. ठीक है.
It's a trading कहते हैं, but it is not easy. It is high risk, high return game.
रिटर्न भी हाई होता है लेकिन रिस्क भी बहुत ज्यादा होता है, और इसी तरह के केस में जनरली लोग लूज कर जाते हैं पैसा अपना.
हाँ. So its success ratio is also very less there.
ओके.
So that's the reason most of the retail investors, they will get into this trouble and they will fail here. So this trading can be done, but for that what you have to do, So there is a technical analysis for that. You have to learn the technical analysis, technical skills. Along with that, you should have some 2-3 years of practical experience in trading market. So it's like diving into the big sea without knowing the risk there.
राइट, ही शुड बी प्रैक्टिसिंग। आप पहले पूल में प्रैक्टिस करना सीख लें, समुद्र में कूदने से पहले ये जरूरी रहेगा, अदरवाइज डूबने का खतरा बना रहेगा। सो एज पर द इन्वेस्टमेंट, लिख आपने हमें बताया कि ट्रेडिंग ये हाई रिस्क रहता है, रिटर्न भी अच्छा मिलता है लेकिन रिस्क ज़्यादा रहता है और चांसेस बहुत कम रहते हैं इसमें। आई मीन टू से दैट ट्रेडिंग बिकम्स लिटिल रिस्की। So, what suggestion you would love to go for giving to the people if anybody wants to invest? What factors you would go for talking about so that person can invest well, can grow well, and can be risk-free as well?
Okay. So as I said, the trading is a high risk, high return game. Along with that, so if you want to become a trader, you have to sit in front of the system. If you are a working profession, you cannot sit in front of the system every day during the day. So that's the reason trading is absolutely doesn't suit for working profession. So that's the reason trading is not suitable for working profession. So if you are a working profession, you will be getting some surplus money. Every month you are getting some fixed money. So for that, what you can do, you can invest in a stocks. So growing stocks in a systematic manner. So if you invest for systematic manner, definitely in the long run, so stocks will create a huge wealth.
According to you, you have used that you can invest in stocks in a systematic manner. So what is that systematic manner exactly, according to you, the people should invest?
Okay, can we use scale?
Okay, I'll get you the rights. Fine, now you can.
So this is the chart of Reliance industry.
Right.
So Reliance industry, what I said is the systematic manner. So systematic manner is nothing but as working people, every month they will get some money. So they cannot invest lump sum. So every month they can invest some amount of money.
Right.
So let's say that here, you can see here. So April 21st, in April 2021, so Reliance price was 1850. You can see there.
Right.
So next month,
it grew.
Yeah, April next
May.
So April, May month also same price was there. So next month, so it grew to 2,400. So if you invest, let's say you are buying one share every month. So what will happen? If the price will get average.
Means we should not be investing all the money together. We should be going step by step.
Yes. So that what will happen? Your price will get average. In the longer run, you will guess your pricing power will reduce.
Right.
Buying price will reduce.
Right.
So that's the reason we have to invest in a systematic manner.
Right.
But along with that, I would like to add one more point. So if you don't have enough time to do this all the work, then there is an option called mutual fund. There is an option called mutual fund. If you invest into the mutual fund, I will show you. Just 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. So if you don't have a time to research the right stock, if you don't have a time to buy the stock every month, what you can do, there is an option called mutual fund. So in the mutual fund, what will happen? So you have one time you have to give the check. One time you have to set up the mandate, auto mandate to deduct the money every month. You have to set up the mandate. So after that, what will happen on a particular day? So let's say you have set up mandate on every month 10. And you have set the amount of 10,000 rupees. So every month, so on a 10th, so 10,000 rupees will deduct from your bank account. So in mutual fund, what will happen is, so each 10,000 rupees will be invested into these stocks. So in mutual fund, they will create one portfolio. So your 10,000 will invest into these stocks. automatically it will invest.
This is what automatic exactly we do not have to pay attention. जब हम म्यूचुअल फंड में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं तो ऑटोमेटिकली जो भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वो उनको मैनेज करना स्टार्ट कर देती है.
Yeah, automatically, yeah, for 10,000 rupees will deduct, and your shares will be, yeah, your amount will be invested here. You can see here Bajaj Finance, Avenue Supermart, Tata Consultancy, Fidelite Industry. So automatically your money will get invested. You don't need to worry about anything.
Right. So according to you, like mutual fund is secure, the people can go for, there's no risk in this?
Yeah, so this is one of the safest investment option. If you're a working profession, if you don't have enough time to research the right stock, so then definitely you should take some exposure into the mutual fund.
And again it comes like कि अब म्यूचुअल फंड हमें वो रिटर्न देता है जो हमें बाकी सब में नहीं मिल पाएगा.
Sorry.
What return we can go for expecting in mutual fund?
So definitely in long run you are going to get. So there are three types of mutual fund. There is a large cap mutual fund, mid cap mutual fund, small cap mutual fund. So so according to that, there is a risk adjusted to it. So in large cap, there is a risk is less, so return is also less. In mid and small cap, high risk, high return. If you are investing for some within 5 years, you have to invest in large cap. If you are investing for your child marriage, child education, more than 5 years, then definitely you should invest into mid and small cap, wherein you are going to get 17%, 20%, 21% of return.
So we get easily by 17 to 20% return?
Yeah, definitely you are going to get. I'll show you.
Right. And that is what annually?
Yeah, annually.
It's very good. It's very good return.
No, every year fixed you will not get it.
That will vary?
Yeah, it will vary. So first year there may be a negative return, also 5% of negative return. Next year what will happen? You will get plus 20%. Again there is a minus of 5%. Again next year it is going to be a 30%. But if you take it as an average return, some after 5-6 years, you are going to get a plus return.
Means little patience is the key. We should be keeping little patient. We should be investing it for a long time. And when we are going for the long time, we are always going to get some of the benefit out of it, profit out of it.
Yes. Here, I'll show you a good example. You can see here. So can you see here? This is the chart of Reliance in January 17th, 2020. So stock price corrected from 1400 to 1200. So it is mainly because of COVID issue. So there was a noise around COVID in that stock has corrected a lot. After that, you can see how stock price zoomed here.
Yes.
So currently, which is trading at 2300. So either आपको patience is the main key here in equity market. If you have the patience, definitely you're going to create huge wealth in the long term. But you have to be, if you are investing into the stocks, you have to invest in a quality business.
Right.
Ultimately, in the long run, quality business will sustain. Quality matters a lot. In stock market, there are more than 5,000 plus companies are there. Only limited companies will create a wealth.
So here exactly we got little information about all investment and everything. Here the part comes, again I would say कि बहुत सारे लोग aware नहीं है. I would love to know about your exact business. How you go for helping out the people in this?
Okay, most of the people, they don't know how to invest in stock. So most of the people they don't know how to invest in mutual fund. So what I will do is I will consistently create videos on awareness videos on YouTube and all the social media platform. And I have for my known people, I have created a broadcast group. So I will consistently post a video. So people will come to know and they can connect with me. So I will help them to invest their all the money in a systematic manner. I will attach their all the financial goal based on their risk, based on their growth, based on their income. I will completely plan their investment so that they can achieve their all the financial goal. They can create a wealth in the long term. This is how I'm helping them.
So exactly, I would say through your content you go for helping out the people so that they can be aware about investment और कैसे कैसे वो invest कर सकते हैं. साथ ही साथ you, if anybody goes for contacting you, you go for helping them out उनके financial goal को achieve करवाने के लिए through investment. तो आप
Yes.
उनको हेल्प करवाते हैं उनके इन्वेस्टमेंट को सही तरीके से करवाने में और आप उनको सिखाते भी हैं. आपके कुछ प्रोग्राम्स भी हैं सो दैट द पीपल कैन गो फॉर लर्निंग कि किस तरह से इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए.
Okay, दोनों टाइप ही है. So if they wants to learn from themselves, I have a course also. Some people they don't want to learn. They simply need help of us. So for them, I will behalf of them, I will help them to set their all the investment goals.
So what courses you go for offering? Just let us know about your courses and your programs as well.
Okay, there are two programs. One is trading. So I'm very good in trading also. If somebody wants to take trading as a profession, as I said, it's a high risk, high return game. First, they have to very strong in technical analysis. They have to learn the basics. What is trading? How it works? So there is a formula called support zone, resistance zone, candles. First, they have to learn the basics. Then they have to do the practical experience. They have to go for a practical experience for 2 years. For that, I have a course also.
Right.
If somebody wants to invest and somebody wants to learn the art of investment, I have the course of investment course also.
It means for both of the options, you are having courses for the investment purpose, for the trading purpose.
Yes, both are having.
And who can go for joining? Anybody can plan, or there's some of the certain people you have planned for?
No, anybody can join it. No problem.
Okay, fine. So here we just come here, like how you just go for defining personal financing. Is that very much important? People should look for this. People should go for the education of this because the education related to personal finance is never given in the schools. So I just want to know from in your aspect, what is the significance of personal finance? How much important it is?
Okay, personal finance and money management, it is very important part of our life. But if you look at the entire India, so whatever we learn in school, so it is never going to use it. It is not going to use in our life, day-to-day life. So we will learn from first standard to till degree. Most of the things are not at all used in our day-to-day life.
We are taught so very lot of theory. We have been taught we go for cramming so many things, but really not in use.
Yeah, along with that, so most of the people they will complete MBA. They don't. They itself they don't know what is investment, how it works. So where to invest our money, how to plan for our further future. They don't know about it. It's mainly because of so personal finance and money management never been taught to us.
Yes, it's
Never been
very much important.
Yeah, it's very important. So that's the reason people should understand the importance of savings and investment. People should learn the art of personal finance so that they can plan every steps.
So if anybody wants to go for contacting you for learning these kind of things, how the people can contact?
Okay, I have a website. In every my video content, I will give them my contact points, my mobile number, so that people can contact me.
So you have your YouTube channel.
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel.
Okay, by the name of
Vijay Badhier.
Okay, that's good. Vijay Badhier. And the website is also by the name of?
Yeah, badhier.vijaykumar करके website है.
Right. So we'll just let the people know कि किस तरह से वो आपको contact कर सकते हैं. We'll be just sharing the details in the description. One more thing I would like to know from your side. What exactly, every business has some of the mission in the life. Do you have some mission in your life?
Yeah. So I want to, with regards to personal finance, I want to help more and more people. I want to educate more and more people so that people can, so every day, the millions of people in India, they end up making a lot of financial mistakes. So they will fall into debt traps, which will spoil their entire financial life. So if you look at most of the people, they are earning good amount of money, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh per month. But if you ask them, what is your savings? What is your investment? They don't have any savings and investment. because they don't know how to manage their money.
Right, right. And
They
that
don't.
becomes very much crucial. That becomes very much important. If you
Yeah,
don't know where is your money being spent, where is your money going, you'll not be surviving in the financial world. Exactly. That is your current money. Invested money is your future money.
yes, yes, yes. So that's the reason I want to help more and more people. I want to spread the financial knowledge. So it has to be part of our school, college curriculum. But so
It's
obviously,
not that, but maybe in the future it may come. But that's thanks to you, all the kind of people who have been providing this information to the people and who have been educating people over the personal finance. That's really great. One more thing I would like to know, the program what we have gone for is starting this podcast, Rising Entrepreneurs. इसके बारे में आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? Some of the words for our program.
it is one of the best program. So if somebody see this, somebody watch this program in the YouTube, automatically they will get inspired. So even they will also start taking more and more action. So it will create a good society.
Thank you so much.
Good impact in the society.
Thank you so much. So as many people have been watching us, other people would watch us. जितने भी लोग आगे देखेंगे और अभी भी देख रहे हैं इसको, we would keep on calling here so many entrepreneurs so that you can go for learning so many essential things जो आपको आपके करियर में आगे बढ़ा सकती है. This is Rising Entrepreneurs. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.